Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota Sienna XLE Limited Package. So this is a 4-door, 7-passenger, all-wheel drive passenger van in a Blizzard Pearl color. Under the hood, you'll find a very capable 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your front fog lamps. You also have your automatic headlights and automatic high beams. You have sun blinds built into the windows. You have your blind spot monitoring, and you have your forward collision alert. But there are a ton of features happening, so why don't we hop on in and take a look inside. Helping you into your Sienna is this Toyota Smart Key. So on your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, your 2 side automatic doors, your power lift gate, and your panic button. So pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4 and your hatchback. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's going to be really great for heavy traffic or if you're driving in those busy streets. You can also see here that you do have your approach lights. It also doubles as a puddle light, so you can see if you're getting out in a dark parking lot. You can see if you're about to step in a big huge puddle of water, which nobody likes. We also have your power doors here, so we're just going to open these up. We're going to click these once, hold them down for a couple of seconds, and you can see that both of those doors are opening really nice and easy, and we can just close them right back up just like that. Or there's a button here that you can push when you're on the inside as well, or you can just push it so right there. And that closes up nice and easy for you. And I'm just going to lock this back up again here because that is a proximity key. So I'm going to put this in my pocket. You don't actually have to take your key out of your pocket. I'm just going to place my hand on the handle and unlocks for me just like that. So lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You have this gorgeous 2-tone leather interior. You have some storage here in the driver's side door, along with this wood paneling, absolutely beautiful, adding some luxury to your everyday drive. You have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. You have your window locks, and you have your power folding mirrors. That's going to be really handy for, again, those tight spaces. And you have your memory seating for up to 2 drivers. That's really great if you're going to be sharing the vehicle with your family. That's going to be nice. You do have your power adjustable driver and your front passenger seat. And again, you have this gorgeous leather interior. And moving a little bit further up, you have 2 sunroofs. You've got a power tilt and slide sunroof in the front, and then you have your moonroof there in the back. And right here is your widescreen Blu-ray player. So that's going to be really handy for those long road trips, keeping those kids entertained. Just to the left of your steering wheel here, this is going to be your vent button for the back. You have your traction control, your parking assist. This is your 360-degree camera view here, and I'm going to demonstrate that in just a moment. And then you have your heated steering wheel along with your interior lighting. And I'm going to hop on in here. We'll take a look at some of the awesome features. I won't be able to is just a brief walk around, but I'm going to get through as much as I can without taking up too much of your time. So you have a really nice display, really easy on the eyes. The lighting is very nice. Moving a little bit further back, you have all of your steering wheel mounted controls. You have your volume control and your mode changer buttons, your hands-free calling, and this is for your center information display. This is going to give you all of your settings for your rear cross traffic alert. You have your pre-collision system, all of your Toyota Sefety Sense features, all right there at the touch of a button. You also have your lane departure warning, and you have your dynamic radar cruise control, which works in tandem with your cruise control just back here, so that you can set the distance to the vehicle ahead of you and maintain that speed safely. So taking a look at the entertainment system now, we do have your everything that you're going to want. You have your navigation, you have all of your apps. So this is going to be Entune 3.0. You can find more information about that at our website. You also have your navigation system, really easy system to learn and use. And I'm going to put this in reverse so you can see you have your 360-degree camera just there, so you can see if anybody's going to be walking around your vehicle. You also have your rear vision camera there. You have 3 different points of view as well. I'm going to put this back into park. I'm going to turn our rear park assist. This is going to be the left of your steering wheel, and then I'm going to show you this 360-degree camera. It does do a full 360 degree to check your surroundings before you start driving, if there's bicycles in the way, if somebody's walking behind your vehicle. So that's going to be a really, really nice safety feature for you and your family. Moving a little bit further down, we have tri-zone climate control. The rear passengers have control over that temperature as well, just in the middle row there. Moving a little bit further down, you do have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. You have your audio input and your USB cables there. audio inputs, and then you have a 12-volt DC plug-in just there in case there's any other devices you'd like to charge. You have 2 extra cup holders right there. They pop out and tuck nicely away along with your 2 cup holders up here. So lots of space for you and your family to bring along your snacks. You also have your Blu-ray player just down there. Now it also comes with headphones. So that's going to be handy. Right in here is a center console. You can carry some larger items in there as well. And you can see all of this gorgeous wood paneling once again. You have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And you have a lockable glove box, nice and deep with all of your manuals that you're going to need. And it's a lit glove box, so that's going to be really nice for you as well. And then you have an extra little glove box up here to hold some smaller items. That's going to be really nice for you as well. And once again, you have that gorgeous leather, all of this stitching detail. So really, really beautiful vehicle. Lots going on in the front. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your Sienna now, lots going on back here as well. You can see all of those parking sensors along the rear bumper there. That's going to make it very, very easy for you to back out of your driveway and just generally out of those busy parking lots. Now, I did mention that we had a power lift gate, so we're just going to open this up here for you. We're going to hold that down. It's going to come up automatically. We'll take a look inside the cargo space. Now, lots and lots of cargo space back here. Really nice deep section, so you still have lots of room with that 3rd row being used. You have another little space in here for some smaller items. These are little hooks for all of your shopping bags or any items that you don't want sort of flying around the back there. And I'm going to show you just how easy this is to push down. So we're going to pop this up. We're going to pull it. And I can do this with one hand and film at the same time. So again, super easy, just one handle, pull that towards you, and it flops down nice and easy. Then you can put these over here. Oops, there we go. So lots and lots of space when those seats are tucked away nicely, and when you're all finished, you can either use your fob or you can push this button here and it'll come right back down for you. So really nice and easy, and we'll give you a nice view of the back of your Sienna. Giving you a final look then of your 2018 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive limited package. There is so much happening with the Sienna that I didn't get a chance to go through, as I had mentioned before, so come on in, take it for a test drive, play around with all of the features. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thank you again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.